Hey, it's Neil, and welcome back to my family or whatever. Any of my followers here, like pro pickleball players or anything? Well, I got the least expensive set of pickleball stuff that I could find on Amazon. So let's check this out and see what it looks like. It is taped closed here. I'll try to reuse this bag. The bag probably costs as much as the set. But okay, so it comes with two of these wiffle balls. I guess these are the balls that you use with paddle balls. And it came with two of this thing here. This is by Activator, and it's a Franklin Pickleball. So I guess it actually has a name brand. I've heard of Franklin, but I don't know if it's any good or not. But here, let's check out what these paddles look like. Made out of that hard wood stuff with the plastic rim around it. And the rim is fairly tight on it. And then we have the handle, which is a little bit squishy, not super squishy. And so that's how you hit the paddle ball with that. So I have no idea if this is good or not. You guys can tell me what you guys think of these things here if you've used them before. But I'm gonna put a link to it in the description because it was just so ridiculously inexpensive and it showed up on my list of stuff to try to get. So like suggested things or whatever on the front page. And I'm like, okay, what the heck, for 20 bucks or whatever it was, I'm gonna get myself a set of this. Now I just have to find somebody to play with. So there we go, got two of these. Or I can just play with myself, blah, blah, blah. But no, okay, but that's it. It looks like it comes with two paddles, two balls, and I am ready for pickleball. Thanks, links in the description if you guys wanna pick one up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other stuff soon. Bye.